Imagine yourself in the driver's seat of a massive truck, the only warmth coming from the thrumming engine beneath you. You're navigating an endless white expanse, the Arctic ice roads. It's minus 30 degrees, and the snowstorm's ferocity increases with each mile. Wind howls against the cab as you squint through pelting snowflakes against your windshield. You feel the truck's wheels lose their grip, and your heart races, fingers tightening on the wheel as you decide whether to push forward or pull over. Every instinct screams survival as you tread the invisible line between courage and recklessness, knowing that one slip could mean the end. But the community depends on your cargo for survival, and with a deep breath, you cautiously press on, trusting your skill and resolve.